Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I am going to guide you on how to log in the Telegram ID in another device or in your desktop computer. So let's start the video. Here open the Telegram app first and you will be on your Telegram homepage. Now tap on the three vertical lines at the top left corner. Here you will see the several settings like my profile, new group, contacts, calls, saved messages and many more. But now click on the settings option. And now scroll down a little and tap on the devices option. Here you will see the link desktop device option and keep open the QR code on the Telegram web on your desktop computer. So now scan the QR code and it takes some time, and now see your account is linked with your desktop computer. So it's very easy. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.